What to pack for your trip to Japan, essentials for every season. Hi everyone! Welcome to Japan in your pocket. Planning a trip to Japan and wondering what to pack? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Japan's weather changes drastically across seasons. So today I'll share all the essentials you need. Whether you're visiting during the cherry blossoms of spring, the humid summers, colourful autumns, or snowy winters. And hey, if you're the kind of person who overpacks for a weekend trip, don't worry, you're in good company. Let's get started. Section 1, Essentials for Any Season 1. Comfortable walking shoes. Japan is a walking paradise, or maybe a walking challenge. You'll explore temples, cities, and even hike a little, so pack a pair of sturdy yet comfortable shoes. Pro tip, slip-ons are great for places where you need to take off your shoes, like temples and traditional inns. Universal travel adapter. Japan uses Type A and B plugs with 100 volts, so make sure to pack an adapter for your electronics. Bonus points if it has multiple USB ports because, let's face it, we all carry more gadgets than we care to admit. Reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated while being eco-friendly. Japan has plenty of vending machines, but a reusable bottle is perfect for refilling at free water fountains, especially in parks and train stations. Cash and IC card, e.g. Suica or Pasmo. Japan is high-tech, but cash is still king, especially in smaller towns and restaurants. Also, get an IC card. It's your magic ticket for trains, buses, and even vending machines. Section 2, Season-Specific Essentials. Spring. Cherry blossom season, a postcard perfect time to visit. But don't be fooled by the flowers, the weather can be unpredictable. 1. Light jacket. Mornings and evenings can be chilly, so pack a light jacket or cardigan. 2. Umbrella or raincoat. Spring showers are common, so stay dry and stylish with a compact umbrella. 3. Pollen allergy meds. If you've got allergies, Japan's cedar pollen will make you wish you packed extra tissues. Summer. Welcome to Japan's summer. A mix of festivals, fireworks, and humidity so intense you'll feel like you're in a sauna. 1. Light, breathable clothes. Stick to cotton or linen to stay cool. 2. Portable fan or cooling towel. Trust me, you'll thank me when the temperature hits 35 degrees to 95 degrees. 3. Sunscreen and bug spray. The sun and mosquitoes don't take vacations, so be prepared. 4. Sandals. Pack a pair of sandals for casual strolls. Bonus points if they're easy to slip on and off. Autumn. Japan's autumn is all about beautiful foliage and perfect travel weather. But layering is key. 1. Layers, layers, layers. Pack light sweaters, long-sleeved shirts, and a scarf for chilly mornings and evenings. 2. Camera or phone with extra storage. You'll be snapping endless pictures of the stunning fall colours. Don't run out of space. Winter. If you're visiting in winter, especially northern Japan, prepare for some serious cold. Snow monkeys and skiing are worth it though. 1. Warm coat and thermal layers. A heavy coat, gloves, and thermal tops will save you from freezing in places like Hokkaido. 2. Heat packs. Cairo. These little pocket heaters are sold everywhere in Japan and will keep your hands toasty. 3. Snow boots for Hokkaido or alpine areas. If you're exploring snowy regions, pack waterproof boots with good traction. Section 3. Small items that make a big difference. 1. Travel Wi-Fi router or SIM card. Stay connected for Google Maps, translations, and Instagram-worthy posts. Japan has free Wi-Fi, but it's not everywhere. 2. Foldable bag. You'll probably end up buying more souvenirs than planned. Hello, Kit Kat flavors. So a foldable tote is perfect for extra luggage. 3. Snacks and medications. Japanese snacks are amazing, but bring your own favorites for long train rides. Also, don't forget any personal meds you might need. It's not always easy to find equivalents in Japan. And that's your ultimate packing guide for Japan. Whether you're chasing cherry blossoms or shredding the slopes in Hokkaido, having the right gear makes all the difference. What's one thing you never forget to pack? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone planning their dream trip to Japan. Mata ne!